Alright, we're just heading out real quick so he can take some quick video footage of me, because there's really never any footage of me riding around. So we're going to go to that other road real quick. He's going to take some footage of me doing some of those turns, so this will be fun. Finally get some footage of me a little bit.
Beep, beep. Oh, that was a little fast. Beep.
Boing, 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 boing. You should come closer so I can kill switch you. Well, it'll be kind of hard because it's on your right. You can get mine. Oh, that motorcycle game back in the day. Well, they had like chains and shit, and you can just like whip them. Was it? Yeah, right. Nunchucks and shit. Come, Mr. Taliban, tally me banana. That's a nice Mustang. Send it. We'll let those guys go for a minute.
I'm not getting your video. How am I supposed to start now? Find the full battery. Full battery. No? My bike don't get. I don't want jet ski. That's an Americanized jet ski.
Those are the stand-up ones.
What, aren't they still jet skis?
Yeah, but there's ones that the CD
I know.
sit down.
Yeah.
I want to try the stand-ups.
I'd be the guy trying to flip it.
No, he's getting into it. Alright. Send it. Oh, gas light came on.
Figure that pro.
Wait, I'll be like your mother. Licks it.
Figure that pro.
Yeah, well that's why. When I was in Bonner's Ferry, it was fine. But here, it's not.
So we got big predator, then we got small predator.
Pretty much, yep.
I got jigs for them. They're pretty sweet. Love to ride the new one, but...
Yeah, right?
Any good for like twisties besides this?
Honestly, you're gonna have to go that way.
Yeah.
Across the river?
You're gonna have to go across the river. If you just try to stick to Coeur d'Alene, then you guys are screwed.
Alright.
Cool. Alright, thanks, man. Have a good day. Hey there. So let me just see what I got for cash here first. Can I prepay 10? Or let's, yeah, sorry. Let's go 6. Or sorry, 10. I'll do 10. Final answer.
If you don't take it all, come back in, we'll have it changed.
Sounds good, sir. Thank you.
You want your receipt or?
No.
You want your receipt?
No. You want to grab my change?
Your change?
Yeah. I gave him $10. Oh, 40 cents. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
How much?
So, that way or?
That way. Yeah, so we'll come back here because they got their beer. Yeah.
As soon as I could put that in it.
That's what she said.
That guy, like that was beside you, did you see his license plate? Rub bug. R-U-B, rub, yeah, R-U-B-B-U-G.
That's weird how we can't change yours into miles now. It's fucked up.
I don't know why, like it worked before.
So I can change mine, no problem. And mine's a Canadian model bike.
See, if I lived here, I'd probably go squid a lot.
Well, in Vegas too. See, our weather, there's climate's constantly changing. We're here, it's fucking hot as shit.
This is like on the other side of the mountains though.
Yeah, I know. Oh, look at all the bikes.
Oh, damn. And a Corvette.
Damn. Hop in there, grab a beer, make some friends.
We Canadian. What's that?
Yeah, what is that? I wonder if those guys that I met yesterday are there. I wasn't paying attention.
We Canadian. Canadian.
Oh, Canada. America. What are you doing, bud? Now that's a fucked up sprinkler. That's a squirter right there. I was making fun of that guy on the weights there.
Once you see them.
It will fuck you up. Right? That's why you get one of these houses, because then you're like a millionaire. Like, look at that. See, I like the European version of my bike because they have that same kill switch you do on your bike. The integrated one.
Oh, yeah, I wonder why, like, over there, yeah, oh, but not, you can't have it here.
Come on, buddy, let's go.
He's like, look at the old bike. Oh, Utah, that explains it. I don't know what that explains, but...
Bust the Yui. I don't know. Looks like it. Want to go in the church? It's open.
Oh, yeah. He's got a Corvette in the driveway.
could. I don't want to get shot. Let him cross. It's probably packing heat. Look at the muffler on that thing.
No, I'm making more noise. I'm making more noise.
Well, when I was here last, there was no cars here, so I took up this entire left lane and took a photo. Let's back it up a bit more.
I gotta get off the white stuff.
Mine's almost dead. It's flashing. It's flashing, right?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, so my battery's gonna die. I know. Yes, I was attempting a wheelie. That's pretty much me. A kid did that yesterday. He's like, as I'm going by on that road, he's like, wheelie! And I'm like, I can't. Oh, say, can you see by the something light, we're so proudly we hailed.
Hailed at twilight's mass gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the peril fight. Oh, the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the bombs bursting in air. Something else. Something else.
What are you doing in there? Hiya.
Oh!
Can I get a hiya?
Hi!
Right. We're just chilling in the hotel. We're gonna watch a movie for a bit, and then yeah. So tomorrow we're gonna head out to Sandpoint, visit Ryan tomorrow, and then we'll probably head out to Wyoming after that. So we're gonna do a little bit of our trip. So if you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and like me on Facebook and Instagram. All right. See you guys tomorrow in the next video.
Voices in my